Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. I am going to do a bloom with black pillow paint today. I'm going to use some pinks. This little piggy. I haven't used black base for a while. I just got a new can of color to go. This feels thin. Okay. I think this is 6x6 canvas. Just going over an old one. Okay. All right, so let's see. I'm going to put a little bit of Payne's Gray in there. I've got Rose Shimmer by Folk Art. This little piggy, Anthenia. I have the Fairy Floss mixed with another pink, so there's two paints in here. I'll put this on the bottom. I can't remember what the other pink is, but now let's see what else I have. I think I'll put Payne's Gray now. Just a little bit. I have Sequence by Fairy Floss. It's kind of a shimmery pink. Put it over a dark color. And I will put a little bit of Amsterdam Magenta. Put some of this Athenia. I have to make sure I shake them well, because some of them I haven't used for a while. And I think the next one will be Rose Shimmer. I think I'm going to use white and black cell activator. Oops. Just mixed up some. Ooh, that's a lot. I don't like making big batches. I don't go through it quick enough. Okay, let's do my mini blower. Here's my attachment. Ooh, very pretty. What the heck is that in there? What the heck is... Let's leave it for now. Let the middle come back to the middle. My recipes are in the description under the video. And there's a discount code for the Sheleeart course. How to do a bloom. If you need some hints. So pretty, except for that part. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna modify it. I'm just gonna leave it, I think. Let's spin this. Love the little white lines through it. Payne's gray almost looks purpley. Gorgeous. Still moving. Let's see if I can push it this way a bit. Wow, it's so nice. Okay, let's see. One more. Okay, I think that's it. I'm going to leave it. See, that middle is moving. If you leave it too much, then you might move as it's drying. So let me just spin it again. Getting better. Okay, I think that's good. I'm going to let it dry, and I'll put the dry results at the end of the video. Thanks for coming by. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Helps me grow. It's free, and you get lots of tips and recipes. Have a good day, everybody. Here's my dried little canvas. Wow. This is beautiful. Look at that purpley color in there from the Payne's gray and the pink. Very pretty. Love the lacing. There you go. Thanks for watching.